Welcome to the Weather Centre at the end of the work week, where we can expect some morning fog over parts of the northeastern and eastern interior. That's due to a ridging high pushing in moisture over the eastern part of South Africa. It moves in behind a departing cold front and also pushes in cooler air over the eastern part of the country. It also results in overcast weather and the chance of rainfall mainly for KwaZulu-Natal, as well as some light rain along the northeastern escarpment. It'll be a sunny and warm end to the work week over much of the interior, with a bit of high cloud expected over the western and southern part of South Africa. Our rainfall probability map shows up to a 60% chance of rainfall along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline, with isolated rainfall expected as we head further inland. And here's that chance of light rain extending along the northeastern escarpment. You'll also see cooler temperatures over the eastern part of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Only 20 degrees for Bombela, but the hot end of the work week for Gauteng and the northwest, where highs will peak in the low 30s. Warm for the Free State, with maximum temperatures peaking in the middle and upper 20s. You'll see cold weather for Pietermaritzburg at 14 degrees, 20 as we head towards Umtata, but the rest of those highs in the upper teens. We stick in the upper teens as we head towards the coast with a moderate southwesterly wind for Port Elizabeth and East London, and a light to moderate southeasterly breeze between Port St John's and Richards Bay. Along the east coast, we're expecting a 1.5 metre swell. You'll see a mild day for Worcester and Robertson, both in the low 20s, 25 degrees for Vredendal, but with the rest of those highs in the upper teens. We stick with that cool weather as we head towards the coast with a light to moderate southerly wind between False Bay and Mossel Bay. More of a southwester for Plettenberg Bay and Jeffreys Bay, all with a cool forecast on Friday. And we're expecting a 3 metre southwesterly swell along the south coast. Warm over the northern part of the Northern Cape with highs in the middle and upper 20s. Still quite cool over the southern parts though, 20 degrees for Colesberg and Calvinia, and Sutherland with a maximum temperature of 17 degrees. You'll see a maximum of around 20 along the west coast with a moderate southerly wind for Cape Town, and more of a south-southeasterly wind from Longabon all the way through to Alexander Bay, where strong winds are forecast. And along the west coast, we're expecting a 2.5 metre southwesterly swell. On Saturday, we're forecasting some light rain for George, as well as along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline, but with another dry and warm day over the interior. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Friday.